One of the top priorities of every individual is fulfilling the dreams of near and dear ones. You need to ensure that any unfortunate event shouldn't jeopardize their dreams. So, you need a life cover to protect your family, and at the same time, you need to save for their dreams. ICICI Prudential has come up with a solution to fulfill these responsibilities. The base plan is called ICICI Pru Smart Life, and the variant name is Smart Kids Solution. It is a children education plan. So, are you eager to find out whether this plan suits your investment portfolio? Let's get started. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ICICI Pru Smart Kit Solution is a unit-linked non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. Let us analyze the features, benefit, investment strategies, and advantages and disadvantages of this plan. Let us also evaluate the potential return of this plan and compare it with other investment return. First, features of ICICI Prudential Smart Kit Solution. Pay premium as per your choice. Either it could be single pay or regular pay or limited pay. Choose the extent of safety that fits your needs. There are 2 portfolio strategies and 14 fund options. Get rewarded with loyalty additions and wealth boosters for long-term policies. In the event of unfortunate death, apart from lump sum benefit, there is a premium waiver option. Partial withdrawals are allowed to fund any emergencies provided the lock-in period is completed. Next, we shall move on to the portfolio strategies and fund options of ICICI Pru Smart Kit Solution. First, a fixed portfolio strategy. This method allows you to manage your financial savings actively. Under this strategy, you can choose to save your monies in any of the following fund options in proportion to your choice. You can transfer monies among those funds through the usage of switch option. The details of the funds are given in the table here. The risk profile varies depending on the asset allocation. Next, life cycle based portfolio strategy. Depending on your age at the time of policy inception, your investments are split between the multi-cap growth fund and the income fund. Your money is redistributed in accordance with your age as you transition from one age band to another. The age-wise portfolio distribution is shown in the table. Next, we shall move on to the benefits of ICICI Pru Smart Kit Solution. First, death benefit. On the death of the life assured, the death benefit payable will comprise of 2 parts, a lump sum benefit and smart benefit. First, lump sum benefit. A benefit paid out at the time of claim to take care of any immediate liabilities of the family. The lump sum benefit is higher of 2 amounts, a sum assured or minimum death benefit, that is 105% of total premiums paid including top-up premium. The next is smart benefit, a deferred benefit that ensures that your savings for your desired goal continue uninterrupted. This benefit does not apply to the one-pay option. The fund value, including top-up fund value, if any, will remain saved in the respective funds and portfolio strategies as of the date of death of the life insured. Under this benefit, following the date of death of life assured, units equivalent to installment premium will be allocated by the company on the subsequent premium due dates. Loyalty additions and wealth boosters will continue to be allotted to the fund value. The next is maturity benefit. On the maturity of the policy, you will receive the fund value including the top-up fund value if any. This is paid irrespective of the survival of the life assured till the maturity date. You will have the option to receive the maturity benefit as a lump sum or as a structured payout using the settlement option. Only in cases where the policyholder and life assured are the same and the life assured lives to the end of the policy term, this choice is possible. Next, let us have a glimpse of additional benefit. Switch between funds is only available if you have all your funds in the fixed portfolio strategy. You can save any surplus money as top-up premium over and above the base premium into the policy. You can change your portfolio strategy once every policy year, provided the monies are not in the discontinued policy fund. Premium redirection feature is applicable only if you have opted for the fixed portfolio strategy. Partial withdrawals are allowed after the completion of 5 policy years, provided monies are not in discontinued policy fund. You can choose to decrease your sum assured at any policy anniversary during the policy term, provided all due premiums to date have been paid. A decrease in policy term is also allowed. Next, we shall look at the various charges under ICICI Pru Smart Kit Solution. Premium allocation charge. For one pay, it is 3%. For limited and regular pay, refer the table here. It ranges from 2% to 6% depending on the mode of premium and the year. Next, fund management charge. All funds except a money market fund, it is 1.35%, and for money market fund, it is 0.75%. Policy administration charge. It will be levied every month by redemption of units subject to a maximum of rupees 500 per month. One pay, rupees 60 per month for the first 5 policy years. For limited and regular pay, 0.21% per month of annual premium for the entire policy term. Next, mortality charges. Mortality charges will be deducted every month by redemption of units. You can refer the table here. It varies depending on the gender and age. Next, discontinuance charge. It depends on the year of discontinuance and the premium amount. Inference from the charges. ICICI Pru Smart Kid solution levies various charges as discussed above. The net premium is allocated for investment. This will affect the return on investment. Other market-related products do not levy these types of charges like charges for discontinuance, policy administration charges, etc. This makes ULIP unattractive. Next, we shall look at the advantages and disadvantages of ICICI Pru Smart Kid solution. First, advantages. Choose premium paying term and premium paying mode at your convenience. There are 2 investment strategies and 18 fund options, which is not available in any other ULIPs. Loyalty additions and wealth boosters increase your fund value. Top-up premium is allowed. Fund switching and premium direction can be done during the policy term. Partial withdrawals are allowed to meet emergencies, provided completion of 5 policy years. Premium waiver option is an inbuilt feature. Next, disadvantages. Though you have the option to reduce the sum assured, the premium is not reduced proportionately. There is no liquidity in the initial years, that is, the lock-in period is 5 years. The policy levies numerous charges which will reduce the return. The sum assured is not adequate to meet the family's basic needs. The loan option is not available. ICICI Pru Smart Kid solution is a market-linked product, so you won't get a guaranteed final maturity amount. In order to make a decision, we may need to figure out the potential return of this product. For this, let us calculate the internal rate of this plan. This will give you a big picture of the policy. A 35-year-old male buys ICICI Pru Smart Kid solution for a sum assured of rupees 5 lakh. The annual premium is rupees 50,000 and the premium paying term is 15 years. At the end of 15 years, he will receive the fund value as of the date of maturity. Under the 4% scenario, if he pays premium for 15 years, the fund value at the end of 15 years is 8.53 lakhs. The internal rate of return for this cash flow is 1.60%. This rate is lower than the savings bank account rate. Under the 8% scenario, if he pays premium for 15 years, the fund value at the end of 15 years is 11.93 lakhs. The internal rate of return for this cash flow is 5.62%. This rate is lower than the bank's fixed deposit interest rate. An investment return should ideally be more than the inflation rate. Though ICICI Pru Smart Kid solution is a market-linked product, the investment return is low. Low investment returns will affect your future goals, and also the sum assured is low under this plan. Now let us compare other investments with ICICI Pru Smart Kid solution. Investing in ICICI Pru Smart Kid solution will not aid you in achieving the dreams of your kids. For comparison purposes, we have assumed that the same amount is invested in other instrument. Under ICICI Pru Smart Kid solution, 50,000 premium. For 50,000 premium, you get a life cover of rupees 5 lakhs, and the fund value is paid at the time of maturity. So we can split this 50,000 and utilize it for life cover as well as investment. A pure term policy for a sum assured of rupees 5 lakhs would cost rupees 2,500 per annum. We have assumed 5 lakhs sum assured as in the earlier illustration. Ideally, you should get an adequate life cover. After paying a pure term life insurance premium, the balance amount of rupees 47,500 could be invested for wealth accumulation. Here we have assumed PPF and ELSS as investment options. For PPF, at the end of 15 years, the final maturity value is 12.88 lakhs. The IRR for pure term plus PPF is 6.51%. This return is higher than the 8% scenario under ICICI Pru Smart Kit Solution. PPF is a debt instrument, whereas ICICI Pru Smart Kit Solution is a market-linked product. Next, ELSS. At the end of 15 years, the ELSS fund value is 19.83 lakhs, but it is subject to capital gains tax. The tax calculation is given below. The post-tax value is 18.66 lakhs. The IRR, that is the post-tax return, is 10.74%. The above analysis clearly shows that investing in ICICI Pru Smart Kit Solution will leave in a deficit when the goal is due. Moreover, there may be a mismatch between the maturity of the plan and your actual requirement. Let us move into the end part, our final verdict on ICICI Pru Smart Kit Solution, the Children Education Plan. ICICI Prudential Smart Kit Solution is designed to help parents plan for their children's education and secure their future. Similar to any other ULIP, this plan combines insurance coverage with investment opportunities. A portion of the premium paid is allocated towards providing life insurance coverage for the parent or guardian, while the remaining amount is invested to build a corpus for the child's education. The plan offers multiple investment fund options to choose from, catering to different risk appetites and investment objectives. At the end of the policy term, the accumulated corpus is given as maturity benefit. But this amount will not be sufficient to fund the child's education expenses. ICICI Pru Smart Kit Solution Children Education Plan is a long-term investment. The education inflation is around 8 to 10%, but the returns are too low under this plan to meet the education cost. If you are interested in saving for your children's education, do not opt for ready-made child plans that are available in the market. It is better to build an investment portfolio based on your specific goal. A detailed review of this plan is available as a blog post in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.